Welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Trend Trader, and today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum on the daily. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. These markets are extremely volatile, so please trade at your own risk. Alright, so we're going to take a quick look back at our Ethereum video from August 31st and kind of see how that's all played out. At the time, everybody was doom and glooming about the death cross impending and worried about another big dump, and we had a little bit of a different view.
So now we just have our moving averages basically on there. So you'll see what everybody was talking about is this right here, the death cross, the 50 and the 200, okay? And when the death cross happens, it basically says, according to the moving averages, the 50 is now above the 200, or below the 200, so we're now entering into a long-term downtrend. Now, alternatively, if you don't use, you got to figure that whenever there's a possibility that people are looking at something different, you have to take into account both those things, okay? And that was my point in the previous video. And all I'm saying is that the 50 has already crossed with the 200 right here. And then we got that little dump right there, all right? So now the 50 is getting ready to cross with the 200. Simple also. So we're going to get that cross as well. So maybe we get another little dump off that or whatever, all right? But this is what everybody's scared about, is basically entering into a daily downtrend. And I get it, okay? We basically got our golden cross right here, and then we went into a nice uptrend. Got the golden cross, went into the uptrend. But look what happened over here. Let's look at these death crosses now before you just go dumping all your altcoins after you've already suffered a massive drawdown. Look at the 50 right here, coming down here. And then look, that's the 200, that's the 200. And it just so happens, in this case, they cross at the exact same spot, the 200s and the 50. Okay, but anyway, my point is, that's it. That's the two 200s and the 50 crossing. That's the death cross. And look what happened exactly at the death cross, the bottom. The death cross was the absolute bottom of this. And then you literally got a massive trend upward from there. A massive retest, a relief rally, whatever you want to call it, okay? But that signals to the market we're about to enter into a long-term downtrend. It's already too late. The defense has failed. You know, it's going down. But look what happened. 122% gains on Ethereum from the death cross, okay? So 122% gains. So before you held your Ethereum all the way down 54% loss, and then you dump it at the bottom, before you accidentally do that because somebody told you the death cross, and that's the end, I mean, it could get up pretty high if we get a little relief rally. And with the small market cap on these coins, it's not unrealistic. So all I'm saying is it might be worth just waiting to see what happens if you've already taken a massive drawdown before you literally sell the bottom. So, but anyway, that's it. I just want to switch over real quick, actually, and I'm going to show the weekly chart as well. And again, all I'm going to do here is I just want to make a point, okay? Just want to make a point about these death crosses and everything, because moving averages, these are lagging indicators for a reason. They call it that. It's a lagging indicator. It tells you what's already happened, okay? So when this 10 moving average, the red moving average, broke below the 21 moving average on the weekly, where are we at? The absolute bottom. That's where we're at, the absolute bottom, okay? That was right where we got our death cross, same exact spot, okay? And now look, the 21 and the 10 just crossed. We just got the death cross. We're about to get the second death cross. So it's pretty likely that right here, if I had to go out on a limb and say, after this massive dump down, and Ethereum has found support on the 21 week, okay, and then couldn't get back above it, and then dump down from there, if there's somewhere where Ethereum's going to find any kind of support, and it's not just like a completely dead asset, basically, it's not just going to continue dumping down into nothingness. I mean, on this time scale, on a weekly time scale, I'm just going to draw a couple, important areas in here. On a weekly time scale, does it look like we're closer to the top or to the bottom? So before you just go unloading your altcoin positions, maybe seeing the bottom come in somewhere around here. Now that's still a drawdown. Ethereum's at 166, so if it came down to that last.
So there we got it. Ethereum is at 166. That was August 31st. And just to kind of reference how that's played out now, obviously Ethereum has been popping off, especially these last couple days. But we were basically, August 31st was right in here. And as you can see, we moved up pretty nice from there. And getting a confirmed breakout. And we got some decent targets coming in here. It's looking a little bit tired right now. It just got above the 200s, and obviously it's looking like it's going to keep moving in a strong uptrend. We're about to cross over all the moving average essentially in the positive direction. So we'll see where it comes up to. You can see on here that I'm using the 528. That's a really strange moving average, but essentially all that is just using it just lets me use the 4-hour time scale and see what the daily moving average is doing. And then I've just seen over time that it actually like corresponds a lot with like random tops and bottoms and peaks, and you'll see that's that white one right there. and it basically catches here, finds support, finds resistance through here, breaks above, comes back. So I think it's very likely that this will continue to play out how it's doing, and we're going to see our target as high as 244 here. So if you look at how that's played out so far, we start accumulating through this zone right here, and we are up about 27% currently without leverage, and we're expecting this trade to go roughly in the 45% range. But again, we take off some of our profits when we hit the 200s here and consolidate, and then we always take that off. So no matter what happens with this trade, if we get stopped out on the remaining trade at a win, we're never going to turn a winner into a loser, especially a big trade like this. So we'd like to see continuation to the upside. We may see a little consolidation, flag out for a bit, retest in here. But now that we're above all the moving averages on the daily like that, it's going to take a powerful move from Bitcoin or a powerful dump on Ethereum to basically pull itself back down. And now you'll see we are into the distribution zone right here. Typically, we don't take that as just a hard sell, though. Once we're in the distribution zone, we're waiting for the price to move, or the lines to move back outside of the red area. So we'll know when it tops out when we get up here and we see the blue line is going to come back down and start curling down negative. The slope's going to start going back downwards, and we'll see that it'll start leaving this red zone, and when the red zone ends, that's essentially like our hard sell. But a lot of times we'll just let our trade get taken out with the trailing stop loss, just so you don't miss too much upside trying to take profits too early. So, but never let a winner turn into a loser. As you can see, this one's playing out real nice. We're gonna keep on it, and we're gonna see how it works out over time. And yeah, that's it. That's Ethereum on the daily. Crypto Trend Trader. Thanks for checking us back out, and stay tuned to see how this trade plays out in the end. Appreciate y'all coming back. I'm Crypto Trend Trader signing out.